Hello. So for this video, I will show an example of database. So before we start, I will explain first what is database. So database is an organized collection of structured information or data, typically stored electronically in a computer system. To be specific, the database often stores information about people such as customers or users. For example, social media platforms, it use database to store user information such as names, emails, addresses, and behaviors. So for the example of database is SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. So SQL, it is used in relational database. Relational database, we store data in tables which are made up in columns and rows. It is similar to what we have seen in Excel spreadsheet. Those tables have primary keys which serve uniquely to identify for each row and data. So, in short, SQL is an app that used to store data and information on a business or any other platforms.